Hello, peoples, folks, everyone. Today we have an asynchronous class because you are, some of you were on campus today with the Harvard model. So you are going to watch this video. I'm going to be emailing it to you, and you'll also find it posted in Schoology. And when you're in Schoology, you're going to go to this assignment right here that says Cycle 2 Final Project. All right, so you're going to go to Cycle 2 Final Project. You're going to click on that. And you're going to click on the link, and that's going to take you here to this fun map document that I created. So what this is sort of a step-by-step guide to how to do your final project. You have us starting here with this fun little GIF, and you might say, okay, I'm going to be honest, wait, what were the tools that we learned about for the semester? Because what is this project? It's an opportunity for you to show me mastery of the different tools that we've spent the last semester learning about. So if you need a brief recap of that, you're going to click here, and there's a link to a presentation that has all of our tools from this semester in one place. You can spend as much time here as you need, or say, okay, I'm glad I know that that's there. I don't want to look at it right now, but I'm happy to know, I'm glad it's there. This is just a recap of all of our tools in one easy located place. Then you're going to say, okay, I know all the floor tools now. So what exactly is this project about? Here, this link is going to take you to the project basics. You'll get a chance to read about it, read the expectations, read how it works. Then once you get that, you're like, cool, got it, ready to go. I'm going to check out my options. Or you might say, I appreciate the document, Elisa, but I really am a visual learner. I need to have you talk me through things. So there's also a video here for those of you who are like that. So I'm a very visual learner. I need to kind of talk things out loud. So if you click on the project basics and you're like, oh, I still don't sort of get it, come on over here to this image, and that's going to take you to a video that explains it with me kind of talking through it. Right? And then once you've got that, okay, cool, I got it, ready, you're going to start looking at the menu of options. Now, menu of options might not make sense to you right now. It will after you read the project basics document. So you'll check out the menu of options. You'll look at that. Now, this other over here is for when you're ready to submit. Don't do anything over here because you're not going to be ready to submit. You're just learning about the project today. I did put in a little pit stop for you all, and that's why it says December 3rd. That's today. For this particular group, you do have a pit stop assignment, which is a flip grid. So what does that mean? After you've explored the presentation, the project basics, you maybe watched my video, you looked at all of the options, you clicked the menu options, and you said, okay, here are all the different options that I have for this project. I'm going to explore that. Then you're going to click here, and it's going to take you to a flip grid. You're going to join with Google. I know I haven't used Flipgrid this year. I used it a lot last year. We've not used it in this class, but all you have to do is press join with Google. You can log in with your Columbus School account, and it's going to say, oh, there you are. Here's your Flipgrid. You're going to record a video that covers the following: expectations of the project, response to the project. Your video should answer all of these questions. So by the time you finish looking through everything that's provided to you in this fun little map, you then should go ahead and record your video response. Your video shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. It should not exceed 3 minutes, but in 3 minutes, you need to answer all of the questions that you see here. So how many tools do you have to use? How many people can be in a group? What type of options must you include? What is one thing you really like about this project? What is something that you're worried might be a challenge or that you want me to think about and how I can support you? And I want you to have spent some time on the options menu and tell me one option that for sure you're like, okay, of the 8 options, I'm for sure going to do this one. I really like it, and tell me why. And that video should take you about 3 minutes to record. It shouldn't exceed 3 minutes. You'll press submit, and you're done for the asynchronous class for the day.